Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of the Operating System Growth Podcast. I am your host Caleb. Today, we will discover about community building and how Circle can help us to do this. Have you ever wondered how photographers of the same camera can improve their photo taking skills better? A community such as Circle can be used to effectively gather a group of like-minded individuals with the same skill and interest to join and improve their skill sets together. This enables the different team members to know what they're doing and make it better in the work that they're doing. Circles help different community members iterate in different settings. When we are in circles.so, start a free trial. Enter your email and a password. Name your community and choose a URL. photographerscommunity.circle.so. Upload a logo of the community and pick your brand colors. They follow your web application either on Android or iOS application. Circle offers templates to choose from. Depending on the type of community you're creating, choose the one that suits you the most. Types of communities that Circle offer includes coaching, membership, and course creator. Be specific about the type of community you're creating. You will land in a new community admin view with a default sidebar already populated. Spaces are containers for content and access getting mechanism. Some things in spaces include posts, chatting functions, events, causes, members, and images. These are different spaces one can customize in a community for different participants to understand how these communities work. A space is both a container for content and access control mechanism. Things in spaces consist of posts, chats, causes, and events. Space has different levels of access: public, private, and secret. When the space is public, everyone can see the sidebar and the content is open to all community members. When the space is private, content is visible in the sidebar but only accessible to members who have been explicitly added. Secret access is completely hidden from the sidebar unless you are already a member of it. The paying mechanism is used to help others unlock with paywall subscription for the cost of services you provide for. Circle's paywall lets you charge your community members for access at space or space group for the course content or services you provide. Community participants can pay on subscription for monthly, quarterly, or annual recurring dues. Community participants can make one-time payments for lifetime access with no recurring charge. Community participants can utilize lifetime access with no recurring charge for unlimited payment of course content. Trials for members can be implemented to help other members. Discounts, coupons, and referral codes can be used to enable and share it with other friends to increase the number of community members. Access groups effectively enable community organizers to merge different spaces under one group. As your community circle community grows, assign help using moderators or administrators. Moderators run on the board to remove posts, review flag posts, reported content, and approve posts before they go live on the platform. It's important for all community members to adhere and follow the code of ethics in that circle community. Admins have full access setting to remove participants' content who violate the rules. Circle contains profanity filters and reporting tools to help flag issues before one see them. Join us in building community on Circle. In my project in helping to create parenting content for Circle community, I'm able to use different spaces to implement and integrate into this community. I've added causes for parents to know what are the content or media to use to play with their children. I've added Bible verses to help them understand. When you create a circle platform, you can work on a niche topic. This can be learning a language. You can create content or services that customize in learning a language, and this will enable people who are language learners to join in and to be able to understand and use the material effectively. It can be furniture teaching. It you can create content or courses or events that customize how to create furniture. This enables you to reach the different audience. It is always important when we are working on building a community to know what community participants want. Having focus group discussions, talking to different people, doing surveys, talking to strangers on the streets helps us understand what participants in our community want better. Another important thing about building a circle.so community is for code of ethics. This code of ethics protect the members of the community, and it helps different people to improve and upskill their content. It also provides a supportive and safe place for different community members to participate. That's all for today's podcast. Please share with us topics you are interested in, from entrepreneurship to leadership skills to personal development. We will review them and we will speak to them in the next episode. We are always looking out for speakers. If you're interested to speak, you can always contact us and we can work together. Thank you and see you in our next episode. Bye.